How to continue game in Horror Tale. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can continue the saved game later. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the top, you can see this continue button. So this will only be displayed if you had started playing a game and you were in the middle of something. So first you must tap or try playing new game, and later you'll be able to play this continue. So here simply tap on continue and I'm inside the game. So there are different check marks or checkpoints that it has been in. Now after removing the ad, you'll be able to play the game easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.